Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ayu Ristiana. I am part of Economic Education B 2017. Now I want to presentation about my thesis. The title is The Influence of Fraud Diamond Theory on Student Academic Fraud. Case Study of Jakarta State University Economic Education Student. The background. Higher education is an institution that was founded in an effort to create a generation that is intellectual and has integrity. Apart from that, higher education is also an institution that is responsible for educating students to act honestly in every action they take. However, up to now, universities are still places where various acts of fraud or cheating occur. According to news published in Kompas Online in March 2014, at least 24 final years medical faculty students were proven to have cheated in one of the exams using an iPad. These cases are proof that academic cheating is a problem that has occurred for a long time among the students in Indonesia and in various other parts of the world, and that technological development have made it easier for students to commit academic fraud. Part B. Fraud Diamond Theory Development. The theory used in this thesis is Fraud Diamond Theory. Fraud Diamond Theory, developed by Wolf and Hermanson, states that fraud is caused by four factors consisting of pressure, opportunity, rationalization, and capability. Based on the background above, researchers are interested in conducting research on the influence of fraud diamond theory in academic fraud. This research is important to conduct to find out how much influence these factors have on academic cheating. The research objective, based on the discussion of the problem described in the previous section, the objective of this research can be formulated as follows: analyze the effect of pressure, rationalization, opportunities, and ability on academic fraud. The theory used in this research is Fraud Diamond Theory by Wolf and Hermanson. This theory is used as the main theoretical basis in this research. Fraud diamond is a theory about the phenomena of fraud put forward by Wolf and Hermanson in their journal entitled The Fraud Diamond, considering the four elements of fraud. The four elements contained in this theory include pressure, opportunity, rationalization, and capability. The connection between fraud diamond theory and this research is that it emphasizes the factors of reasons that make students engage in academic fraudulent behavior. The implication is how much pressure, opportunity, rationalization, and ability a student has can influence them to carry out academic cheating behavior. And then, part 3. This research was conducted at the Jakarta State University. This research location was chosen because researchers are interested in researching cheating that occurs among students who are still active in teaching and learning activities, and are a place where researchers carry out learning activities, so that research already know the shortcomings that occur when learning is carried out. Apart from that, researchers have conducted interviews with several students and show that there are still cheating practice occurring among students. And by the way, In 2024, Jakarta State University will receive superior accreditation and will be one of the best universities in Jakarta. The research was conducted on January 10, 2024, and research preparation began on March 3, 2024. The subject in this research were students from the Economic Education Study program at Jakarta State University. The population is economic education student at Jakarta State University. This research is quantitative research. Quantitative research is a process of finding knowledge that use data in the form of numbers as a tool to find information about what you want to know. The data source used in this research is a primary source. Primary data sources are collected directly by researchers. In this research, primary data is obtained from respondents through questionnaire. And data analysis technique. The data analysis technique was carried out using multiple linear regression analysis. That data processing in this research used the IBM SPSS Statistic 25 program with a standard error of 5%. The steps in analyzing that data are as follow: descriptive analysis, the test, the research instrument, validity test, reliability test. The test requirement analysis is normally test, classic assumption that test is multicollinearity test, heteroscedasticity test, autocorrelation test, and then multiple linear analysis, hypothesis testing, F-test, T-test, and coefficient of determination. Now, part 4. The respondents of this research were FAUNJ economic education students and the 4th and 6th semester. The number of the students who were responding was 129 students, with the criteria being students who were still active carrying out the teaching and learning activities and has passed the 4th semester. From the result of the analysis presentation above, the discussion of the researchers' result is as follows. The effect of pressure on academic cheating. Pressure was a positive influence on academic cheating. The result of the analysis show that the t-value is 4.5 more than 1.9, and the significant value of 0.001 is smaller than 0.05. So it is determined to accept HA. It can be concluded that there is an influence of pressure on academic cheating. The results of this research are in accordance with the diamond fraud theory proposed by Wolf and Hermanson, where this theory explained that pressure is one of the driving factors for someone to commit fraudulent acts. The higher the pressure felt by someone, the greater the possibility that they will commit acts of fraud. The results of this research are also in accordance with the theory of planet behavior, in that this theory explains a person's point of view regarding social pressure which influence a person's decision to do something. When someone believes a behavior will have a positive impact, then that person will tend to choose that behavior. These results are similar to research by Devi and Pratama 2020 regarding the academic cheating behavior of accounting students, stating that pressure influenced the academic cheating behavior of accounting study program student at the Faculty of Economic and Business University in Bali. 2. The effect of opportunity on academic cheating. Opportunity doesn't have a significant effect on academic cheating. The result of the analysis show that the calculated t-value is minus 1.008, smaller than 1.9793, and the significant value of 0.3 is smaller than 0.05. So it is determined that HA is rejected where opportunity has no effect on academic cheating behavior. This result is not in accordance with the fraud diamond theory, where this theory explains that opportunity has an influence on the occurrence of fraud. The results of this research are not in accordance with the theory of planned behavior. This theory explains that when someone believes a behavior will have positive impact, then the person will tend to choose that behavior. The results of this research are in line with the result of researchers conducted by Saidina 2017 and Adityawan, who state the opportunity has no effect on student academic cheating behavior. 3. The effect of rationalization on academic fraud. Rationalization has a significant influence on academic cheating. The result of the analysis show that the calculated t-value is 2.456, more than 1.979, and the significance value of 0.001 is smaller than 1.005. So HA is accepted. It can be concluded that there is an influence of rationalization on academic cheating. The result of this research are in accordance with the fraud diamond theory put forward by Wolf and Hermanson. In this theory, explaining that rationalization is one of the driving factors for someone to commit acts of fraud. The results of this research are also in accordance with the theory of planned behavior. In that is, theory explains that the rational decisions made by individuals in a particular action are based on their belief in the action and their hope of getting positive result afterwards. The results of this research are in line with research by Devi and Pratama regarding the academic cheating behavior of accounting students, stating that rationalization influenced student academic cheating behavior. And number 4, the effect of ability on academic cheating. Ability has a significant influence on academic cheating. The result of the analysis show T is 2.576, more than 1.979, and the significant value of 0.001 is smaller than 0.005. 0.05. So it is determined that HA is a shape. It can be concluded that there is an influence of ability on academic cheating. The results of this research are in accordance with the Diamond theory put forward by Wolff and Manson. In this theory, explain that ability is one of the driving factors for a person to commit acts of fraud. The results of this research are also in accordance with the theory of planned behavior. In this theory explain that when someone believes a behavior will have a positive impact, then that person will tend to choose that behavior. The results of this research are in accordance with research by Devi and Pratama regarding student academic cheating behavior, which state that ability influences student academic cheating. The conclusion. This research was conducted to examine the influence of fraud diamond theory on academic fraud in economic education student at Jakarta State University in the 4th and 6th semester. So from the result of the analysis and discussion, the conclusion in this research are follows. Pressure has a positive and significant effect on academic cheating. Opportunity doesn't have a significant effect on academic cheating. Rationalization has a positive and significant effect on academic cheating, and ability has a positive and significant effect on academic cheating. Several limitations in this research include: this research only examine that the factor that influence students to cheat using elements of the fraud diamond theory. In fact, there are many other factors that have an influence on student intentions to commit fraudulent acts besides the factors research and test in this research. The research subject were economic education students at Jakarta State University in 4th and 7th and 6th semester. The number of respondents was only 129. Of course, still not enough to describe the truth. And then several limitations on the own. Of course, still not enough to describe the truth. Distribution of questionnaires using Google Form online, and recommendation for further researchers is it is hoped that future researchers can add other variables that influence students to cheat, expanding the scope of the research subject so that further research can explain the variables that influence academic fraud in more detail, completeness, and more broadly. Further research can add interview and observation method to data collection in order to enrich the analysis and discussion. Suggestions that can be given in accordance with the research result and discussion on this research are as follows. 1. Effort that can be made to minimize academic cheating are to minimize the pressure placed on students, such as not demanding too much and creating conditions that are very burdensome for students. Based on the result of this research, rationalization in students should be minimized by providing and understand the importance of honestly values, which should be applied in all fields, especially in education. Students should be given motivation, development, and direction of the student potential in a positive direction. Now, I think enough for today to presentation about my thesis. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.